Hello, what's your name?
My name is Kevin.
How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
What grade are you in?
I'm grade 7.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject music.
What did you do last weekend?
Um, I am going to Vũng Tàu.
Where did you go last Sunday?
I badminton.
Did you watch TV yesterday?
Yes,
What did you have for breakfast this morning?
I had I had rice and meat for breakfast this morning.
When did you finish your homework?
Um, I finished your my homework in mm,
Please talk about your last weekend.
I I went to Vũng Tàu with my family in the morning. I swam in the sea. In the afternoon, I seafood. We had with time together.
Okay. Where are you going this summer?
I go I'm going to um, Vũng Tàu this month.
Who are you going to travel with?
I'm going to travel with my family.
Are you going to visit your grandparents this summer?
Um, um, but
What are you going to do at the beach?
uh, I'm going to
Are you going to buy souvenirs?
no.
Okay. Please talk about your summer holiday plan.
Um, you're going to go uh, to
Where are you going to go?
go um, Vũng Tàu with my family in the morning. I am going to take photo in the afternoon. I am going to eat and talk together. I think my trip is going to be very soon.
Okay. Please talk about the differences between the two pictures.
Uh, Picture I just I guess that picture uh, 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 I picture. I bring the picture by uh,
Okay, so I think that's all for today. Thank you.